credit experiment, I'm going to be doing a rainbow in a bottle. It works with different densities. So what you're gonna need for this experiment is a clear recipient. You could have like a cylinder that's clear, but I'm using a Coca-Cola bottle. Water, sugar, 5 different cups, a tablespoon measure, and food coloring. So first we're gonna start with the process. We have to add 1 tablespoon of sugar into the first glass. Into the next glass, we have to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of sugar to the third glass, four tablespoons of sugar to the fourth glass, and the fifth glass remains with no sugar. Now we add 3 tablespoons of water to each of the first 4 glasses. So 1, So I decided to change the recipient from a Coca-Cola bottle to a glass because it needs to be leveled out, and since it has like ridges here, it's probably not gonna work better, so we changed it to a glass. That's why I recommend like a cylinder or any of those things. After you add the 3 tablespoons of water to each of the 4 solutions, you stir them until the sugar dissolves. And it says that if the sugar does not dissolve in any of the 4 glasses, then add more tablespoons of water. So 1 more tablespoon if it does not end up dissolving. So we're gonna see if it dissolves. Now that it's dissolved, it should look a little bit different in all of the 4 glasses since the densities are gonna be different because there's more sugar in each of the glasses. First, we're gonna add 2 to 3 drops of the food coloring. So I'm gonna add red because we're trying to do a rainbow. 2 to 3 drops of red food coloring to the first glass. 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna mix. Now we're gonna add yellow food coloring to the second glass. Green food coloring to the third glass. And blue food coloring to the fourth glass. Okay, so now we're gonna fill the 5th glass, 1/4 full of the blue sugar solution. Then we're gonna carefully layer some green sugar solution above the blue liquid. We put a spoon in the glass, just above the blue layer. Finally, we layer the red solution and we use all of it. So now you see that there are different layers. There's the blue layer, the green layer, the yellow layer, and then the red layer. So it goes red, yellow, green, blue. Yeah, the science behind it is just the densities. So well, I wonder what would happen if we mixed the solution to see what would happen. Even though they're different densities, it would still just mix them. It's not like oil and water where they won't mix together. They were just different levels of densities, and that's what caused them to be one on top of the other.